8 natural ways to fight spider and varicose veins. We all want perfect legs, but is it possible when you have those swollen purple varicose veins? Don't worry, this problem can be solved within weeks. Just follow these recipes, and your legs will not only look incredible, but you'll also prevent the progression of varicose veins. Want to know all the details? Then keep watching. But before you forget about spider veins once and for all, hit subscribe and turn on this little notification bell. There you go. Now you won't miss any of the exciting updates coming daily from the bright side of life. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, apple cider vinegar is an excellent treatment for spider and varicose veins. It helps to bring down the swelling and also improves blood flow. To try it out, dip a cotton ball or a piece of cloth in a solution of apple cider vinegar diluted with an equal amount of water. Place this mixture over the affected veins and leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes. When the time's up, rinse it off with water, and there you go. All you have to do is repeat this procedure twice a day. You'll see positive changes right away. Here's another method for using apple cider vinegar. Simply apply it to the affected skin and gently massage the area. This technique needs to be done every day before going to bed and again the next morning. Be sure to avoid applying too much pressure while you massage the areas. Number 7. Garlic, orange juice, and olive oil. Each of these products works amazingly well by itself, but together they form a truly must-have combination. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which helps to prevent blood vessels from becoming inflamed. In addition, it removes harmful toxins from the body and improves your overall health condition. Adding orange juice and olive oil will only double these effects. The recipe is simple. Crush 6 garlic cloves and mix them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and the freshly squeezed juice of 3 oranges. Let this unusual mixture sit for about 12 hours. Yes, you heard us correctly. This mixture should be used daily, so you have to be prepared. After 12 hours, you can apply the mixture to your veins in circular motions for about 15 minutes until it's fully absorbed into your skin. You can also wrap the area with a cloth and leave it for 15 minutes to reduce the size of your veins. By the way, consuming at least 1 clove of garlic every day is really useful as well. After all, you should treat the problem from the inside too, right? Number 6. Parsley. Parsley is one of the most beneficial natural products for treating varicose veins. The main reason for its efficiency is that it's packed with vitamin C and rutin, which helps to restore and strengthen the capillaries, thus reducing the pain and discomfort caused by varicose veins. To see parsley work its magic, chop a handful of it and put it into a cup of water. Boil the parsley for about 5 to 7 minutes and allow it to cool. Add a little essential oil to it. Dip a cotton ball in the finished mixture and apply it to the affected areas. Just like with all the previous recipes, you have to do this twice a day until you no longer see those annoying blue and red lines on your legs. Don't forget to add parsley to your meals as well. It works wonders for boosting your immune system. Number 5. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is another cool alternative for treating swollen veins. It contains tannins and volatile oils that help to restore the structure of veins, making them look more natural. For a witch hazel home remedy, take a piece of cloth or a cotton ball, soak it in witch hazel, and place it on the affected area for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you repeat this procedure 2 or 3 times a day for 1 month until you notice your veins getting better. Number 4. Cabbage. Cabbage leaves are a wonderful source of all kinds of vitamins, fiber, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, all of which are greatly beneficial for your health. Luckily, these highly nutritious components can also reduce the swelling of veins. Chop up some cabbage leaves, blend them, and add some water to make a fine paste. Apply the finished paste to the swollen areas and cover them with a cotton cloth. The goal is to leave it on for 2 hours. When the time has passed, rinse off the paste with water. If you want to see results more quickly, repeat this process daily for about a month. The effect definitely won't disappoint you. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger is a secret weapon for treating spider veins. Due to its antioxidant nature, it helps to minimize the risk of the appearance of varicose veins. Even better news is that ginger dissolves a blood protein called fibrin and improves circulation. So meet the only non-homemade remedy on our list, delicious and extremely helpful ginger tea. Cut a piece of fresh ginger into pieces, add them to a glass of boiling water, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then strain the water and add some honey. Done! Drink this ginger tea 2 to 3 times a day and combine its consumption with some of the other procedures from our list. The results will be truly outstanding. Number 2. Olive oil and vitamin E. Olive oil is well known for its healthy properties, but who knew that it could treat spider veins too? Add vitamin E to the mix and you'll get a dream combo that provides relief from feelings of heaviness and makes your skin soft and elastic. What a bonus! To get the best out of these ingredients, mix olive oil and vitamin E in equal proportions. Slightly warm this mixture over low heat, apply it to the skin, and massage it for a few minutes with upward motions. Don't forget to repeat this once or twice a day for 2 months. Here's an alternative solution for olive oil. Mix 2 teaspoons of olive oil with 4 to 5 drops of cypress oil. Stir this combo well and massage it into your legs. On average, you'll see results within 1 or 2 weeks. Way quicker, right? Number 1. Aloe vera, carrot, and apple cider vinegar. Aloe vera has exceptionally rich nutritional and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it the #1 natural remedy for all skin-related problems. But when combined with carrot and apple cider vinegar, it creates one of the most efficient methods of all time for shrinking swollen veins. So let's see what it's all about. First of all, extract the gel from 3 aloe vera leaves. Then, pass 1 carrot through a food processor and mix it with the aloe vera gel. To finish the recipe, add half a cup of apple cider vinegar and make a smooth paste. The rest is the same for pretty much every remedy. Apply the paste over your veiny areas and leave it on for 30 minutes. Just remember to wash it off afterward. A lot of people prefer to apply it before going to bed, leave it overnight, and rinse everything off with cold water the next morning. So it's really up to you to decide which method you like best. And there you go. These are some of the best homemade remedies for the treatment of varicose veins. But even though all the remedies we've talked about today really do work, doctors also recommend making a few lifestyle and dietary changes to maintain the long-term effects. First and foremost, make regular physical activities your best friend. Swim, walk, do yoga, or run. The more you move, the better your blood circulates. And let's be real, all this can not only help you forget about spider veins, but also get you a perfect figure. Another important rule is to consume foods rich in vitamin C and E. These elements act as antioxidants and immune system boosters, making them irreplaceable in the fight against varicose veins. And don't forget about compression stockings either. They're a wonderful way to keep your veins in the right position and reduce the pressure. Finally, stay as far away from tight clothes and high heels as you can. We know the last one is almost impossible for the majority of women. But even if you decide to wear them, at least try to limit the time you do so. Your veins will only thank you for it. So what about you? Do you have any tricks of your own for how to fight varicose veins? Tell us in the comments below. If you found this video informative, give us a like and share it with your friends who have a similar problem. For more bright side in your life, click subscribe and join us. That's all for now, but we'll see you soon.